In this video, I'll show 3 easy ways to earn free credits on Base44. Let's jump in. First method, use the referral panel. Click your workspace avatar in the top right, then choose Invite Friends or Refer Friends. Copy your referral link and share it. When a friend signs up and publishes their first app, you earn referral credits. Second method is getting credits from any app you created. Open your app, then expand the top left menu and look for Win Free Credits. This opens the sharing modal where Base44 lists steps and guidelines. For example, post about your project, tag Base44, and add a screenshot. Then you need to open a ticket at Support System with link to your post, and you get credits. Third method, build and publish integrations. Third method, create integrations. Go to Integrations, then My Integrations, then click Create Integration. When your integration is approved and published, you'll earn a credit bonus directly to your account. And that's it, 3 simple ways to get more credits without paying. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 tips and tutorials.